really believe that the most low has been running rampant within the world. He has dominion over this world to the point where people are so desensitized by so many different things that's happening. People are glorifying sin, and it's really disturbing, because when you're someone and you're able to see the truth for what it is, you're able to have an ear to hear, an eye to see the truth, you realize that a lot of these people are not aware of what they're bargaining for. It's a trap. The Most Low is giving these people so many gifts in a sense of material things or a position of prestige, and it's all illusion. It makes these people feel as if they're invincible. It causes them to go deeper and deeper into sin, and what ends up happening is that when these people begin to, some don't even awaken to the truth, some get so caught up in the level of sin and depravity that so many horrible things begin to happen to them, and then they feel stuck. Some are losing not only their souls, they're losing their minds, and we're seeing this become like a literal epidemic of mass proportions. And so this is why there's many that continue to try to recruit for the Most Low. If you're speaking of the Most High, they have a strong aversion to it, and they don't understand why is it that when you identify or have the mindset of being a chosen one, you know that, okay, these type of people or entities that are controlling these people, I need to stay far, far away from them. So you're being set apart for a reason. This chosen one ideology or spiritual perspective, biblical perspective, is one in which it is a very heavy position to be in, because you have this discernment, you have this intuition where no matter what is being put in front of you, some type of temptations people try to put in front of you, you already know what's going to happen. You already know that the enemy is going to switch up on you. There's no honor amongst liars and thieves, and the enemy, Satan, the devil, is a liar. He's a thief, and his plan to destroy, his plan to manipulate and deceive, so many people are just gobbling it up for contracts, for being put up in a certain position, being offered bonuses and advances. And what they really get an advance on is jeopardizing their soul, risking their life, because I really believe that some of these people get caught up in thinking that they can trade in their soul for trinkets, for all types of things, and it's as if they feel like, maybe they're going to pass away and they're going to escape judgment, they're going to escape the wrath of the Most High. And this is why, I release some content in regards to prayers, because we really need to pray for people that we love, our loved ones, because so many people are so steeped into the deception. They've been desensitized because the enemy, the Most Low, he makes sure that sin looks enjoyable. He makes it the appearance that sin is so pleasurable, to the point where it has a lot of people depressed, stressed, just completely messed up when they realize that they've been deceived. They have been lied to. They have been manipulated out of their birthright of actually having a life that's fulfilling, of actually having a life that has peace and joy. And so if you have the wisdom and the insight that, okay, I need to separate from these people, family members, these all types of things that are going to more than likely contaminate your vessel, we still have the position where even if we're not connecting with those people and we're moving in a solo type of energy, we still can lend our spiritual protection and help for these people through prayers, because many of them need it. Think about it, y'all. I know some of you may come from a background where you may have had a praying grandmother or praying grandfather. Oftentimes I'm realizing that those ancestors are not with us anymore. And so many of us, if you're aware, and if it's on your heart, you see somebody out there struggling, and it could be a loved one a relative, somebody you know, a friend. Sometimes it may be shown to you so that you know what to pray for about the person. So instead of gossiping about the person, instead of you becoming sinful in nature, check your ego and see it as an opportunity that you can help this person awaken. You can help them soul. You can help their souls from being trapped and having to come back on this earth and redo it all over again because they got caught up in the sauce. They fell for the traps of the most low. All praises to the Most High.